Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. So, let's go and understand the computer hardware with the help of pictures. Yes, definitely pictures. Therefore, you will never forget such type of important content from your mind because we are going to give you the visualization of the content with the help of pictures and as well as mission parivartan, and you know very well this thing. So let's go and understand one by one the every single part of computer hardware. First of all, central processing unit, the brain of the computer that executes instructions and performs calculation. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connects and houses various components, serving as the computer's central hub. Random access memory, temporary memory that stores data and instructions for the CPU to access quickly. Hard disk drive, a storage device that uses a spinning magnetic disk to store data for the long term. Solid state drive, SSD, a faster and more durable storage device that uses flash memory to store data. Graphic processing unit, responsible for rendering and accelerating graphics, important for gaming and as well as visual applications. Power supply unit supplies electrical power to all computer components, means all computer parts, converting electricity for use. Cooling system, it is very necessary to adjust to add the cooling system. Okay, so include fans, heat sinks and sometimes liquid cooling to prevent overheating of the CPU and as well as GPU. Optical drive reads and writes optical discs such as CDs, DVDs and the Blu-ray discs. Computer chassis, to enclosure that houses all components. I repeat, to enclosure that houses of all components, protecting them and providing a physical connection for peripherals. Network interface card allows the computer to connect to a network either through the net or Wi-Fi. Sound card manages audio input and output, crucial for audio in multimedia and as well as in applications. Input output devices, okay, include USB ports, audio jacks, HDMI, DisplayPort and the other connectors for external devices. Keyboard, an input device used for typing and controlling the computer. Actually, whatever you type, whatever you instruct to computer, that's called a input, and whatever computer gives you, that's called a output. And the other one is mouse, an input devices for pointing and selecting objects on the screen, enhancing user interface. I mean to say interaction, okay. Monitor display, the visual output device that shows text images generated by the computer and given the instruction by you. So speakers, headphones, output devices for sound, enabling user to listen to audio and multimedia content. Webcam, a camera that captures video, photo for conferencing and visual applications as well as conferencing in office and for the video calling. Power button, a physical button or switch to turn the computer on or off. Battery for laptops, a rechargeable power source for portable devices, allowing them to operate without being plugged in. Expansion cards, additional cards added to the motherboard to enhance the computer's capabilities such as the network card, sound cards and graphic cards. BIOS and UEFI firmware that initialize hardware components and start the boot process when the computer is powered on. Okay, so this process is called BIOS, and with the help of BIOS it is done. Okay, CMOS battery, a small battery on the motherboard that powers the CMOS memory storing and systems BIOS settings. Okay, CMOS means CMOS. Okay, so thank you for watching our content. Like, share our video for the sake of getting the knowledge.